Welcome back, you guys. My mom made it into an ice pack, but now we're gonna use the white glue. So, if you guys would like to pause this video and comment down below if you know if the Nickelodeon slime activator works, comment down below so I can know if it does. Or maybe I can figure it out if it does. Oh, that was quick. So I'm going to pour this all in. Then we're going to dye it pink. Wait, there must be a little thing on it. Yep, there is. Be careful with that. Two drops looks good. We're gonna mix it so it can turn pink. Comment down below if you guys like dark pink or light pink slime. I think I'm gonna add a few more drops to this. That's pretty. I like it. I think I like this. Hopefully it works with the Nickelodeon slime activator. In a small bottle. And we're going to start with a little bit. Let's get the sides. Not doing anything yet. That looks good. Does it work with Elmer's glue? I think this will take a few minutes, so we'll see you guys later. Bye! Go.
So my daughter tried to make slime and I got her an activator, that's the Nickelodeon activator, and it did work, but Nickelodeon activator makes slime like what you see. The Nickelodeon slime is very slimy and it's watery, so it's not the type of slime where you can really actually play with it with your finger without getting dirty. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna get some regular activator to make more slimes and more video, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.
And don't forget, subscribe, hit the notification button, and leave a like so we can make you guys more videos. Goodbye!